babes, welcome back to my channel. So I have some more beauties from Madame Glam that I'm going to be reviewing for you today. So you know I fell in love with their 5D cat eye gel polishes, so I actually got some more as well, and I've been sent their black polish as well, which is what you would want to ideally put these polishes over for the best results. So they have a nice sort of formula, as you can see here. Not too thick, not too thin. So obviously you're going to want to prep your nail ready for a gel mani, then apply your base coat and cure that in the lamp. Then you want to apply 2 coats of their black polish. Again, gorgeous formula, as you can see here. So you want to apply the gel polish nice and thin and even. Remember to seal that free edge as well, or cap the edge by running the brush across the edge of your nail and cure that in your lamp. You are going to need a magnetic stick. I've got a cat eye one here which I'm going to be using. So the first one that I'm going to show you is Spirit in the Sky. So I'll show you me applying this one. And these polishes, well, this one in particular anyway, you could just wear over the black polish. It is gorgeous. I will hopefully be able to show you in a minute that kind of like rainbowy look. There's like lots of different colours coming on with this, which hopefully you can see. It's really pretty all on its own. And then you would hold the magnet like so, and then it does this kind of almost like lighting the nail up effect, which is so cool. I have well and truly fell in love with this look. So you just kind of keep going over the magnet until you're kind of happy with how it all looks, and you can definitely see those colours coming through more and more now. And then once you're happy with how it looks, you want to go ahead and apply your top coat, and if that's how you're having your nails, then your mani would be done. But I just think the effect is just breathtaking. So I'm just going to do it really slow so you can just see the transition of colours and you know what to expect in different lights. So I think it's cool how you can kind of see that chameleon effect, and then you sort of get the brightness and the wowness of the magnetic feel, and then it goes to black. Others obviously are going to have more of an effect than other polishes. Obviously it depends on the colour, as you'll see with other swatches, but I just think this one is super gorgeous, and you can sort of definitely see that sort of more iridescence in it. Now a lot of people are probably going to ask, what's the difference between a 5D and a 3D cat eye gel polish? So this model one's is a 3D, and to be honest, I always thought that being able to put the magnet down the side and it basically the whole nail becomes like no, it's not magnified, is it? But it becomes, that magnetic look comes out more and more. I thought you could only do that with 5D, but as you can see here, you can actually do it with 3D polishes, which totally baffled me, because I swear when I first tried the 5D polishes, I tried a magnetic polish, a 3D one, and I couldn't do this, but maybe it was the peacock ones, the peacock chameleon cat eye ones. So I did it again, and you can get this look. So I tried a different brand thinking, oh, maybe that one, because I looked on the website and it didn't specify whether that was 3D or 5D, but I'm pretty sure it was 3D, whereas I know this one is 3D. So I'm just doing the same steps. So you can see that you can get that look as well, where it's not just like a line of the magnetic sort of shine, the whole nail kind of lights up. I'm sure there's a more technical way to explain it, but I just brain's not working today. So there you go. So I was a bit like, oh, so if you can do that with 3D, then what is the difference? And I did actually get in touch with who I talked to, my Madame Glam representative. And basically what she said was that the 5D cat eye gels, they have these iridescent colours in them that change when seen from different angles. And she thinks that's what the main difference is. So there you go. So that's obviously the one next to it is the 5D one, which I haven't showed you yet. I'm going to show you now. And this is how it looks. And this one is just absolutely stunning. You just got that gorgeous pink colour, and then it kind of changes to like bronzy gold colours. So you can see that chameleon effect as well. So I really love this one. It is super gorgeous. Going to be perfect for summertime, because even though you're putting it over a black base, it's not black at all. You've got all sorts of colours going on. So moving on now, this is Cosmic Fire, and it is super gorgeous. This one's actually quite similar to the Model One's colour. I just think the colours are a bit more vibrant, and you do sort of get that chameleon look more. Maybe that's what they're on about. You kind of see different colours in different angles, which is what I'm trying to show you in these swatches. So you've got that gorgeous like coppery brightness, and then it goes to almost like an olivey type green, and then like a darker green colour. So these are super pretty. And then the last one that I'm going to show you is Northern Lights. So you can imagine the colours that it's going to change to. So you've got the greens and blues, and then it goes to a gorgeous purple, which I was really struggling to show you on camera. So I really hope that all these fantastic colours come out with this one, because I think this one was actually my favourite. Because I mean, I think you can see it more when it bounces off the other nails. You can see that deep purple that it's got pinks, it's got blues. It is so gorgeous, and it's so mesmerizing. You just sort of find that you're looking at it all day. So yeah, so this is a definite favorite for me. Now, obviously, as they're cat eye polishes, I will put the magnet over it, the cat eye magnet, and show you what it looks like just with that, you know, the strip, which you're kind of so used to seeing the magnetic polishes with. So this one is the Spirit in the Sky. So it is gorgeous, and you can definitely see those iridescent colours and the chameleon colours. So here they are all together. So you've got Spirit in the Sky, Parisian Night, Cosmic Fire, and then obviously Northern Lights, which all look absolutely stunning. You can kind of definitely see like a two-tony look in the line on some of them, especially in Parisian Nights and, the Parisian one, the pink one, and then Northern Lights. So I am in absolute love with these polishes. I love how they look. I love the cat eye look. I do love it when it's kind of, the whole nail becomes like, I can't think of the term and it's irritating me, but you know what I mean. And then I thought I would do a design, and this is for, I think her name is Loca for Nails. Like ages ago, she said about mixing kind of the magnetic polishes together and seeing if you could do that or whether it wouldn't work. So that's what I'm going to try today. So sorry it's taken so long, but I've eventually got round to it. And you will see whether this can be done in a moment. So I've put all 4 of the colours on, and just you can see it's really easy to apply. And then you just want to get your cat eye magnet, and I'm kind of holding it a bit diagonally across the nail. So I'm going to get all the colours in, and that is the end look. So it's super cool. You almost get like a rainbow cat eye look, or chameleon cat eye look, and that's how it looks when all of the nails are done. So that's super pretty, and I'm sure you could experiment more with those methods. So hopefully this is what you're on about, Loca for Nails, and thanks for the inspiration for this design. So thank you, Madame Glam, for sending me these polishes. Absolutely love them, cannot recommend them enough. So until the next time, Jelly Babes, take care. Bye.